Good morning, welcome to the Honda stand at the 2024 Motorcycle Live. We are literally 5 minutes in and people are streaming through the doors. Come and have a look at the stand that we've got ready. So first of all here, we've got the Super Sport range. We've had a fantastic season in motorsport this year. Podiums at the Northwest, podiums at the TT, very close to winning the Superbike Championship in our first year with Tommy Bridewell. And of course, Jack Kennedy, number one in the new Super Sport 600 RR. They're all here. You can even try them actually. There's a Sims model that you can try yourself. You can pit yourself against Tommy and the rest of them. You can actually have a go if you come up to the NEC and have a look. So let's go and have a look around the rest of the stand. So we've always got a little something up our sleeve, a little surprise, and this year it's a brand new bike. It's the GB350S. Beautifully made in Japan at the Kumamoto factory, but look on the wall there and look at the introductory price, 3,949 on the road. It's going to be a fantastic bike. We've already had people say that it could be a kind of second bike for them, or it could be the first bike that they've ever ridden on their first license. It's very versatile and it's very affordable, so come and have a look. It really does look great in the flesh. We've had a lot of changes also to the smaller bikes in the range, new PCX for 2025, and over here we've also got a glimpse into the very near future. We launched last year the EM1E, which is a small electric bike. We've got a brand new bike coming in the spring, which is the new 110cc equivalent scooter. Really excited about that, ready to go, looking good on the stand. And how about this? An EV fun concept. What does that mean? Well, it's going to be our first electric bike, our first electric bigger bike. And we hope to have that in production form really quite soon. So, retro style 350, glimpse into the future with the EV. Let's go and have a look at some of the other stuff that we've got on display here. So what we've got here is a trio of the new 1000cc Hornet. Last year we told you it was coming. This year we've even got the SP version here. We've got both versions here at the show. So we've now got 500, 750 and 1000cc Hornet, the full family. And again, I'm going to unashamedly point out the price. 8,999 for the 1000cc, and for the SP 999 on the road. That's a heck of a lot of bike for the money. It's based, as you remember, on the previous Fireblade engine, but retuned and retweaked to work on a naked bike, and it's going to be fantastic. The press are going to be riding it next week, so look out for very early reviews. We hope to have that in the showrooms early in the new year. But it's at the NEC, so come and have a look if you've got the chance over the next 9 days. And here we are with the updated Transalp. Transalp looks fantastic in this colour. It's been a brilliant bike since we launched it not that long ago actually into the UK market. Brilliant punchy 750cc engine and upgraded for 2025 with different dash, a different light arrangement on the front as well, so more in sort of keeping with the Africa Twin family. This is always a really popular bike and again accessible to a lot of people, so we expect this part of the stand to be really busy. Also new CRF ranges for 2025 as well, shortly arriving. And let's take a look now at the rest of the CRF range with the new rallies. So, two new 300s for the season. This is the Rally. As you can see, quite a different look and feel, a different paint scheme. To me, that looks like a real sort of mini Dakar type bike. And then the 300L, which is its kind of sister, is also here. So quite a few changes on those bikes. Well worth coming to have a look at those on the stand as well. So this is our touring section of the stand with the ever popular and ever brilliant Goldwing. But what I want to show you is the updated for 2025 NT1100 in this beautiful blue colour. Really quite a lot of changes. New front look and feel, new indicators, and changes to the DCT as well, an even smoother DCT gearbox, and that's been proving very, very popular. As we've said before, over 50% of the bikes that we sell now with DCT are the ones that people are choosing. And you can ride it as well. So if you come up here onto the rolling road, let's just go and have a look at that. You can actually get on a DCT, try it for yourself. You ready to go, Doug? Brilliant, okay, right. So, Doug's here with the first customer of 2025 to try the rolling road. As I said, this is an NT1100 that we've got set up to ride here statically, but it's just like riding it on the open road, and you can check out how you get on with DCT and all the advantages that come with that. Talking of interesting transmissions, let's go and have a look at the E-clutch, and I'll tell you a bit more about that. So here we are with the Honda E-clutch. Again, we introduced this earlier in 2024. Here we've got an explanation of all the advantages of it. Basically, really, really simple and easy to use. You can use it as a manual, as normal, but the E-clutch is always there for you. What does it do? It allows you to change gear without actually using the clutch itself. So it's a bit like, if you like, the best quick shifter you've ever used. It's actually even quicker than a quick shifter to use, but it works at all revs, all speeds, and it means you can pull up to the lights, doesn't stall, and away you go again. Really, really easy and intuitive to use, and again, proving really popular now. We've got it in the showroom, and that's on display here. We've also got an education lab, tech lab here at the NEC, which is a new initiative from the MCIA this year, and that tells you all about how it works, what goes on behind the scenes. But the thing to remember about E-clutch and DCT, they are so simple to use, and all they do really is help you enjoy riding your bike even more. Okay, so we've also got some big upgrades to the 1100s here, and the Rebels, both 1100 with new colours for the year, and 500 as well. The 1100 Rebel also has the bigger TFT screen, which looks really cool on that bike, so it works well. Okay, let's just go to the mission control, and I'll show you what's going on over here. See it. So, just wanted to show you on the way the XADV. This is actually, we're basing a limited edition on the model that's here in this gorgeous yellow colour. We've only got 30 in the UK of a special XADV limited edition. So come and have a look at that. That's also had some changes and tweaks for 2025, including some different styling at the front end. So you might see a little bit more similarity with that and the NT as well. But here, in kind of mission control, if you like, on the stand, we've got our technical team, we've got our finance team here all ready to chat to customers, and also, as you can probably see behind me, the opportunity to win a money can't buy experience to visit with us as our guests the TT in 2025. So all you've got to do is join the competition. There's one probably quite easy question to answer, and then you're in. And this is literally something money can't buy. We can't wait to host 2 of our customers in the TT over the race week at TT. You'll meet the riders, you'll get behind the scenes, and we'll show you what really makes the TT tick. And of course, that's where it all started for us and Mr. Honda many years ago. So come and see us at the NEC. It's going to be a fantastic year. We've literally been open about 10 minutes, and as you can see, the stand is filling up quickly. It's Motorcycle Live, and it's going to be really fun this year with a lot of activities off the Honda stand and on the Honda stand. So we hope to see many of you over the next few days. Come and see us. Thanks for listening.